Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I have Shelby here with us today.
Hi!
I am teaching her how to make my cherry pie bites, but we're also doing it with a twist, which is kind of new to me too.
Ooh!
Yeah, I want to do an Americana theme for my cherry pie bites. So I have my red cherry, my white will be the apple, and blue is blueberry. Obviously. And I just used the pre-made pie crust. We're gonna cut the shapes out, put them in the mini muffin tin, and we're gonna bake them.
Okay.
Literally, these are my instructions.
I'm feeling pretty confident with that. I can do this.
We will share these with you in the description box, so definitely check that out. But let me show you how easy these are. First step is we're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees.
Okay, I'm going to follow her and do that. All right, we're on Shelby cam. Whoops, too much. All right, we've got some time. Okay, now what?
All right, we are going to open up the pie crust.
Don't mind me.
That's the hardest part, getting into your pie crust.
Yay!
These things sometimes do not want to cooperate, but let's see if we can get into them. Here we go. All right, we're just going to unroll these.
Perfect.
Maybe.
I'm so glad I have my Shelby cam so that you guys can see her struggle up close. There we go.
Who doesn't struggle with this, right?
I don't know, I've never done it. I'll have to do the second one. That way we can watch me struggle.
So I just opened that up.
Okay.
Maybe it is the smaller one. I don't know why. No, it's just... I
Let's
can't
try that
remember. I have a whole set of these flour cookie cutters, which hopefully you can see. They're super... Oh, Shelby cam.
Shelby cam will see.
Yeah. And I got these at Hobby Lobby, I believe. And they make the cutest little crust that you just have to wait and see.
Do we need to oil this?
We don't.
Okay.
So I try to get as many as possible off of this. So I try to get them really close together.
Okay.
And I'll just go around and cut them all out before I pull them.
Okay.
This is such an easy recipe that if you're last minute and you need to bring something to a get-together or a barbecue, this is it.
My nails are too long.
Oh no.
I keep like punching a hole in it.
So I just kind of lay it over the hole and then push it down with my fingers. And then, see? Then you just kind of...
Yeah, but look, you can tell my nails were too long.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So that one's mine because my nails were in it.
You're not even going to see that. It's going to have fruit
But
in it.
I'm going to know.
Okay.
I washed my hands, I promise.
So we're just going to continue.
Okay, I guess I'll Shelby cam this.
Yes, so then
You're supposed to have me do this.
Do you want to do this?
Okay, we'll show one for Shelby cam, I guess.
You just kind of push it down, like you lay it out and then start pushing it down. Like that, create that well.
Okay.
And then just push the petals over. Look how
All
cute.
right. Do you want to show up close? It's now Krissy cam.
Oh, if I can get my fingers out of the way.
It's not as easy as it looks. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then where are my short nails? That's my short nail, so...
Yeah, if I only had long nails like that.
I don't know if this is... I'm still getting it. I'm scared I'm going to break it.
And then just push the petal thingies over.
Is that enough? Not really. You want a ton of filling in these. I don't want it to be shallow. Okay, I'm gonna
pretty good.
Try one more.
All right, the leftover dough, we're just gonna roll out to be about the same thickness as what these were.
Gotcha. Let it be known, all the ugly ones I did. I can do that part.
I usually get asked to bring these.
They're so
They're
good.
so good.
You've never... Well, I mean, everyone's had these. They're mini pies.
Yes.
So if you've ever had a big pie, it's just like that. But the bite size is amazing. Loving it.
Okay, so our next step is to open the cans of cherry, apple, and blueberry and start filling these. Now I'm not sure how many we want to do of each because I've never done like this Americana twist. So this is going to be interesting. I would not know. You're going to cut your tongue.
What if I go down?
I can read her mind. I know what she was thinking. She's going to lick that lid. No.
Okay, I'm gonna Shelby cam this so y'all can see up close and personal. All right, here's what's going on.
There's a blueberry stuck there.
There's a blueberry.
I tried to push the filling like out toward the edge, so it kind of wants to seal there.
Oh.
So we have come to the end of blueberry.
All right, that's the end of Shelby cam.
All right, going on to the cherries. The cherries I'm very familiar with. You want 2 to 3 cherries in each little thing here. I don't know what they're called. Each little shell.
Petal, flower, pie crust.
Cherry, now we need the apple.
All right.
This is so pretty.
It is really pretty. Okay, I'll save Shelby cam for when these are all done before we have to move on to our next instructions here on the Post-it note.
You guys like that?
And I'll just take a picture of this. Here, I'll Shelby cam it. I'm kind of obsessed with Shelby cam. All right, those are our instructions. All right, I don't know when that stopped recording, but now we're back.
Long ago. Because you just checked it.
I know, I was like, I was just looking at it.
Okay.
And the oven beeps.
It just beeped, so we are going to
Let me get a close-up of this.
Okay, look how beautiful.
Oh, guys.
All right, these are gonna go in the oven for 25 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes or until the crust is like a golden brown.
All right, Shelby cam in it.
Yep, check out my dirty oven.
Yep, that's right.
We'll start with 12 and then add to it.
Oh, they're bubbling.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, see how golden they are? Nice.
Yes.
That's perfect. We're gonna pull them out
Awesome.
and let them cool just a little bit.
Perfect.
All right.
Come check out these bad boys. Yummy.
We have decided to add some cookie icing to the top. We're just gonna drizzle it. You could melt some white chocolate and drizzle that. Even whipped cream would be super, super good. Like
yes.
the day of when you put these out. Because you can make these like ahead of time, like the day before, and they taste so good. So we are just gonna drizzle these. Hopefully. We'll start here.
It works in theory. Ooh.
I need two hands. Sorry, I gotta cover you up.
It's okay, I can go down here. Oh yeah.
It may not stay drizzly, so I have to do thinner, longer. I did put down some wax paper so I can just roll this up and throw it away. We are done with our easy Americana take on cherry pie bites.
Yay!
What do you think? So easy, right?
Yeah. They are so delicious.
Yes, they are. We made like a flag. So the blueberry actually was like the star part, and then of course the apple and cherry alternated for the stripes.
Yeah.
I wish I had like the little American flags. I think that would have just set it off, but I don't have any, so this is what we're going with.
Yes. I still think it looks great.
I'm ready to try one.
Yes.
You ready?
Shall we cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, good guys.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you try this. Like I said, it's an easy, take someplace dessert. So happy 4th of July.
Yeah. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.